So histograms are a little bit like a bar chart with one big difference, and that is that the area of the bars represents the frequency rather than how far up the y-axis it goes. So the histogram shows information about the ages of members of the football supporters club. There are 20 members aged between 25 and 30. One member of the club is chosen at random. What's the probability that this member is more than 30 years old? So if they've told us that there are 20 members aged between 25 and 30, they're telling you that the area of this bar needs to be 20. So this is the bar that goes from 25 to 30 along the x-axis there. And they're saying that the area of that bar needs to be 20 because that's how many people are in that category. So how are we going to get an area of 20? Well, area of a rectangle is base times height. We know the base is 5 because it goes from 25 to 30. And so the height must be 4. So 5 times 4 would give us an area of 20, so that would then be correct. Once we know that it's 4, we can then say, well, that must be 3, that must be 2, and that must be 1 there. And that's our frequency density. So frequency density is the frequency divided by how wide the class interval, the category is. So we did 20, the area of the bar, divided by 5, and that told us that it needed to be 4 high. So 4 was the frequency density. Now that we've got that y-axis labelled, we can just work out the area of every single bar. So 10 is how wide this bar is, multiplied by 0.7. 10 times 0.7 is 7. So that means there are 7 people at the club aged between 0 and 10. We've then got from 10 up to 25. That is 15 for the width, multiplied by 2 for the height. So 15 times 2 is 30 people in that area. We know that this is 20 people in that area of that bar. For the next one, 30 to 50, well, that's 20. 20 times by 2.6 is the height. We can see there. 2.6. 20 times 2.6 is 52. And then last but not least, I've got 30 times 0.3 for the area of this bar, which is 9. So I've got 7 people in the first category, then 30 people, then 20 people, then 52 people, and then 9 people. Adding that all together, 7 add 30, add 20, add 52, add 9 is 118 people. So the probability of picking a member that is older than 30 is 52 and 9. Those are the people that are older than 30. So 52 and 9 is 61 out of the 118 people altogether. And that's how you do histograms. So sometimes you have to draw them. I'll do a video on that as well. But hopefully that's a really nice introduction of how we do histograms and how the area of the bar represents how many people are in that category.